After training your camera, the next critical step is building integrations so everything works seamlessly in production. Traditionally, this takes a lot of time, but with the OV Auto Integration Builder, you can build flows simply by talking to your integration tools. This interface allows you to import block outputs directly from your live camera feed. For this example, I'll load sample data from a pre-existing dataset, but you can import an image, copy the data directly, or paste as JSON. At the center is the prompt field. Here, you can type a plain English prompt to generate any flow you want. For example, I'll describe a flow and click Generate Flow. The system walks through multiple iterations, showing exactly what's happening at each step. The result is exactly what we asked for. In this case, the flow checks the pixel count and sends the appropriate inspection result, which is failed. If you don't want to manually adjust nodes, especially in large or complex flows, you can modify the existing flow using another prompt. For example, I'll change the pixel threshold from 50 to 50,000. All I have to do is type that into the prompt window and hit Modify Flow. After updating the flow, the inspection result now passes. We can trigger the simulated capture manually. This preview shows exactly how the flow will behave once it's imported back into the camera. There are also built-in helper tools. Explain Flow helps you understand what the flow is doing and appears automatically when you create or modify a flow, or you can run it on demand. You can also analyze your flow to detect issues. If a problematic flow is imported and Analyze Flow is selected, the system identifies all issues and offers to auto-fix them instantly. Let me show you an example. Check out how it shows me all the errors, and there are many of them. I have the ability to auto-fix them all now. Finally, you can generate dashboards within the same interface. See that little dashboard section at the bottom right of my screen? I'll create a prompt that produces a 4K dashboard, transforming pixels and abstract blobs into a cohesive visual representation. The system creates a fully functional dashboard, ready to export as a CSV. The Integration Builder enables you to deploy much faster and removes the constant headache of manual, complex node management.